So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you people are doing well. So guys, today we are going to learn the very important interview questions, which is the how to find duplicacy. Okay, so I have already created one class that is duplicates, and this is the man method. After that I am going to create a list, and it is the integer elements. So I am taking the reference A, then arrays dot as list, and arrays dot as list means it will create a list, okay, which will store in A. So I am giving the numbers some duplicacy 4455. Okay, again I need to convert in the string, then I am using list integer, then I need to print B output, then I have to take reference A dot string. So this is the string method guys. String method means it will just convert this list to the string. String is the pipeline. Okay, this is the main Java 8 features. After that I am using the filter method. So what filter method? Filter method will find out the duplicate elements. So for that I am using here and then lambda expression, then collections dot I am using frequency n greater than 1. Okay guys, so it means for each element n it checks collections dot frequency an, okay, which counts how many times n is appearing in the list. Okay, so which should be greater than 1. Okay guys, then so it means only elements appearing more than once are keeping as well. Okay, so after that I need to remove the duplicates. So for that I have to use dot distinct method. Okay, so distinct method will remove the duplicacy. Okay, whichever the it will just remove the repeated elements from the string, so it will keep only unique values. Okay, after that I am using the dot collect, and then I am using collectors dot toList. Collect collectors dot toList method. Okay, so collectors dot toList method guys, so it will convert the final string back into a list. Okay, so whichever is the duplicacy. After that I am putting the semicolon, then I am using sysout. I am going to print same A which I given initial, then again S out, then I am giving B which I want to print. Okay, so let's check. So let's check the output. So guys, yes, so it is giving properly like 1 2 3 4 4 5 whatever I give, and 4 5 duplicacy. If I give again like 7 7 2 times, then what will be the output? So guys, again it is giving properly 7 7. So here 4 is the one duplicate, 7 is the one, and 5 is the one. Okay guys, so these are the duplicacy element guys. So if you like my channel, then like please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Okay guys, thank you for watching.